This tutorial goes over how you can change gradebook settings and add categories and items to your gradebook. The first thing that you want to do is click on the grades link in the navigation bar. Then we're going to click the settings icon. From here, under personal display options, we want to go down to grade details, and we want to make sure the following are selected: points grade, grade scheme symbol, and grade scheme color. Next thing that we want to make sure is selected is manage grades under the start page heading. Go ahead and save your settings. Now let's go to the calculation options. From here, we're going to calculate based on points. Make sure points is selected. Under final grade release, we want calculated final grade selected. Under grade calculations, we want drop ungraded items selected. We want to automatically keep final grades updated. Once you are happy with your preferences, click the Save button. Yes, click the button to continue. Now we want to click the grades link again. And here we're going to review how to add a category. You can see we already have categories listed as week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and week 5. We're going to add a week 6 category. So we're going to click on New and then click on Category option. From here, we're going to name our category Week 6 to continue on with our theme. It's helpful to have a certain heading system. Now click Save and Close. Now we want to click the New button and add a new item. We want to select Numeric Hyperlink. And from here, this is where you can add your quiz and Dropbox items. So we're going to call this Week 1 Dropbox. And we're going to have this item linked to our Week 1 category. And we're going to make this 20 points. And we are going to click on the Save and Close button. So now you can see under our Week 1 category, we now have a new item category known as Week 1 Dropbox.